Okay, y'all, so I want to do a video of everything I made for myself last year, and I'm starting with these jogger pants and bucket hat that I made out of a comforter that my mama gave me, y'all. It was my first time making pants, and they came out fire. Then we have the jogger jacket, my first jogger jacket. Okay, I've been cutting up. I tried to make like a little skirt to go with it, but I wanted the coat more cropped, and it was just a little bit too long, so I ended up wearing it separately, but it still came out dope. Now, this is like a revamp. I already had the joggers made. I just cut up like a man's shirt that I got from this thrift store, and I added like bell bottoms and gave it like the plaid look, and it was so cute. Now, this, y'all, I made this when I went to Hampton. Like, it was something quick. I wanted something cute, and I felt like the pink and gold together with like the open hand gloves. Oh my God, you couldn't tell me nothing. Okay, now for this one, I just did like my hat, like I customized my cowboy hat when I went to Houston. So I just wanted to throw that in there. It was super cute. This right here is another DIY, a quick little revamp. I just turned my skirt into like this two-piece set, added some strings, and just made it super sexy. Now, this is a skirt that I made for like a fashion show, but I still had to throw it in there, y'all, because I wore it to Atlanta, and when I say I got so many compliments at Invest Fest, y'all, like, oh my God. And I made the fedora, I made it bigger, and I wanted something different with the denim look. So this top was my first time doing like the wet look, and I also did some boots to match. I did my hair too and my makeup, but we ain't gonna get into that. But this came out super cute. Like, it was so sexy. I loved it. For Halloween, I did like a little Beetlejuice look. Now, I didn't have to sew too much on here. I wanted some a little bit more professional, but it still came out cute. This is my first time doing like a draped look, so I think it came out fire. And, you know, I'm gonna try it again.